they have to directed to join column 4 school. Now, my lord, petitioner serial number 6, Asma Khatun. He was, my lord, deputed Bardhaman Banipit Primary School.
And see Rule 4.
It is annexed.
Yes, yes, my lord. Annexed.
Yes.
This
Annexed
two
as
teacher,
well.
my lord, is transferred in the same school. Kindly take my representation where I specifically stated what is the PTR ratio of this school, my lord. Alom, বর্তমানে
No,
সহশিক্ষিকা
you
পদ-
read this. I
So,
remember.
in this, there is a surplus teacher. If I transferred there for earlier occasion, page number 35, you transfer me for shortage of the teacher. Now, you want to surplus of the teacher. Now, kindly see. I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. The transfer order, my lord, they will take instruction in this regard, my lord. 3 point, my lord, was involved. The transferee school, my lord, there is no such deficit teacher. Rather, there, if these two teachers went there, then there must be surplus teacher. So there is no such educational exigency. First,
Chairman is not the competent authority
yes,
and the student teacher ratio.
yes, my lord. And another thing is that, my lord, very important point, because the last occasion, my learned senior friend, my lord, says that the council is not in function,
Not functional.
but
That
there is a
today
statutory
itself
purpose.
I am saying so.
Council is not functional.
Then how many
How
days?
does
Not function.
Yes.
The council is not constituted.
Yes.
not considered? Where
How
from
many
chairman
days?
comes? If the
Yes.
council is not there,
I am telling you, this is not at all an, my lord, transfer matter.
oh, it's not a transfer matter. All right. What is it?
Now, my lord, kindly have a look, page 35 at a glance. This is 22nd of June 2021.
Yes.
Now, my lord, the second paragraph.
Hmm.
Considering the primary education, the aforesaid teachers, so-and-so circle is hereby deputed exclusively on temporary basis, subject to approval of the school education department. Therefore, my lord, they have been deputed in a particular school for, my lord, the education exigencies, interest of the student, and they, a deputation means, my lord, he has to revert it back. My lord, kindly have a look, my lord, his acceptance letter at page 37. Now, my lord, this is, my lord, in response to that, in response to your memo number such and such, so and so, the petitioner hearing, I accept the post assistant teacher of so and so Vidyapit school under Sodoru Urban 1 circle and do hereby join in the post in the morning at such and such, such and such. In this connection, I would like to declare that I will abide by the terms and conditions as laid down in the said memo. Therefore, it is not a transfer. And to be enforced by the council in future. I am putting this question, my lord, a deputed teacher can be regarded as a transferee.
My lord, kindly turn there, the very next page, that is order impugned.
Yes, yes, that I am placing. Don't interrupt, Mr. Samud.
Hmm.
I am placing that. Next page. Office memorandum, my lord, got it. Which is the subject matter under challenge?
Page 38.
Page 38.
Yes.
My lord, this language may not be palatable, is not correct. I admit, do that. I do admit. Kindly see what it has said. The following teachers who are working in different school at present on purely temporary basis, as mentioned in column 3, under the jurisdiction of this council are directed to join their respective schools under column 4, where they were appointed, transferred by this stroke transferred. It is, my lord, absolutely a mistake on my part. I admit that. It should not be, this transferred word should not be there in this. But it is says, my lord, where they were appointed, they have to directed to join column 4 school. Now, my lord, petitioner serial number 6, Asma Khatun. He was, my lord, deputed Bardhaman Banipit Primary School. Then initially her first appointment, Indraposto GH such and such school.
So initially page 35 from Indraprastho to Bardhaman Banipit and now reverted back from Bardhaman to Indraprastho. This is the case.
And the memo which has been, my lord, by memo it has been said you are temporarily, my lord, deputed in the school.
That has been accepted.
And in the same circle.
Yes, yes, that's I have seen.
May I place?
Do you want to place anything else? Or tell me what about your constitution of the council?
My lord, the rule 53 says, my lord, First, my lord, I respectfully submit this is not a order of transfer.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, if it is, my lord, taken into consideration, it says, under 53, duties of chairman, the chairman of the primary school council and of any committee thereof.
Hmm.
53.2, the chairman in any exigencies discharge any of the duties of the primary school council, provided, however, that he shall not act contrary to any decision of the primary school council and shall within 1 month report to the primary school council the action taken by him together with reason thereof. Therefore, my lord, my respectful submission, my lord, 53.2 has given in power in exigencies, chairman can take, my lord, such decision. This decision was taken way back in 2018.
21. This decision,
Sorry, my lord.
21.
20.
Hmm.
Now, this,
At 21, was the council functioning? No. You say it has never been constituted. If the council is not constituted, how can a chairman be there?
my lord, this is, I am telling, this is, my lord, in respect of transfer.
In any case, suppose it is not a transfer case.
Now, my lord, comments it says, chairman if can issue transfer order when the council was not constituted. My lord, this is a decision, a reported decision of this honorable court.
Hmm.
In case of administrative exigencies or emergency situation when the council was not constituted, chairman has the power to issue order not contrary to decision of primary school council. Interest of education cannot stand still for want of constitution of the council. Such transfer order was to meet administrative exigencies. 2014 1 CHN Cal 365.
Hmm.
Nadia District Primary School Council. Now, my lord, this has been decided here. But at the outset, I said, my lord, that this is not an order of transfer. Therefore, whether, my lord, the council has been constituted or not, this is not germane in this case. With deepest respect, I am submitting. Now, this decision, if your lordship kindly, if your lordship wanted to see, I can place this decision, that 11th paragraph.
Let me hear.
Yes, my lord. May I put first, my lord?
And another thing, my lord, I am submitting, my lord, he has relied upon a portal of salary.
All right.
Now, my lord, kindly have a look. This portal is page, it starts from page 41. The penultimate page is, last page, page 52. না তো ওটা কোথায় গেল? এই কোথায় কি পিটিশন দিয়েছে? না, my lord, page 44.
Yes.
My lord, this, my lord, I have some doubt, my lord, I do not know, my lord, it is without any signature of head of the institution or head of.
No, from the portal, you will not get the signature.
No. Kindly have a look.
What is the doubt?
Doubt is there is no signature.
No, that is not required. It is there in the
iOS.
portal.
Yes.
Portal,
Yes. That is why the, my lord, column is there, signature of head. Kindly see this.
is there any difference?
Yes, no signature is there.
Apart from the signature, is there any difference in the
Difference of the schools.
school?
This is her initial appointment. This has not been, my lord, with deepest respect I am submitting, it has not been annexed to this petition.
This is the current status.
And this date was, my lord, on subject to correction, my lord, on 18th of July or something like that. And this is also 18th of July, if I am not wrong.
Page 43.
Page 43. দেখাচ্ছি,
Hmm.
আমার কাছে একটাই কপি আছে। And my lord, the payment has to be made, whatever is the portal, either signed or not, payment has to be made by the council directly to the account of the, my lord, the incumbent, a teacher. Therefore, this portal cannot, my lord, substantiate his case, my lord, with
No,
that
that is,
I am a permanent teacher of that.
no, that is true. Anything else?
No, my lord, that's all.
Yes.
My lord, first, my lord, I want to place that transfer rule 2002, my lord.
But first, tell me that you have been transferred.
Yes, my lord. The first, I place the rules first, my lord. 2002 rules, my lord. Kindly see rule 4.
Hmm. It is annexed.
Yes, my lord. Annexed.
Annexed, actually.
Photo number.
Rule 4.
Photo number, please. Page 49 here. Thereafter, my lord, I place the page 35 by corroborating this. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Condition for transfer. A council may, on its own motion or on an application from a teacher, transfer approved teacher within its jurisdiction.
No, prior to placing this, you say that it is a transfer. Where is the transfer?
Yes, yes, my lord. Because of, I first want to substantiate page number 35. This says page number 35 is for deputation.
It is an
Page number 35.
adjustment arrangement.
Yes. For what
Ad-
reason?
Adjustment arranges in the urgency and interest of the primary
Yes.
education, hereby deputed exclusively on temporary basis.
Yes, my lord. That's the language. Now, my lord, for the purpose of what? Then, my lord, kindly, I just read it.
Proposal for
My lord,
placement
kindly
of
read it,
teachers.
my lord. Because who took the decision and what is the educational purpose? That's why I want to place the rule 2002 first. With reference to above noted subject, the undersigned would like to inform him that your adjustment arrangement of two teachers, namely such and such, is accepted by this council, considering the urgency and interest of primary education hereby deputed exclusively on temporary basis. So what is the purpose? Considering the urgency and interest of primary education. For which purpose transfer is possible under the statute? Kindly turn, my lord, rule 4, page number 49, 50, my lord. For the reason of PTR ratio, only adjustment or interest must be the PTR ratio.
My lord, sorry to
Kindly-
intervene. Threshold, I said it is not a transfer. It is a deputation.
I have followed it.
Right.
Yes.
My lord, kindly may I place it?
Hmm.
A council may, on its own motion, on an application from a teacher, transfer approved teacher within its jurisdiction from one primary school to another primary school, on the condition that such approved teacher is confirmed and has completed minimum 2 years of continuous service, both in case of mutual or single transfer, provided that the council may, if it consider necessary for proper utilization of service of primary teacher in the interest of education, transfer and approved teacher without maintaining any time limit of service, provided further that, this is a second proviso, where there is a surplus teacher according to roll strength as stated in rule 3, the council may, on its own motion, transfer such approved teacher without maintaining any time limit of service by way of rational adjustment. Well, word is very important. Rational adjustment of teacher in primary school having deficit teacher in the following order of preference. 1, a primary school without an approved teacher. 2, a primary school having a single teacher. 3, other primary school having shortage of teacher. In my case, for page number 35, this 3, para 3 was relevant because at that point of time, there is a dearth of teacher, shortage of teacher. Now, my lord, the second, page number 38, what is the reason behind it? Personal grudge. Why I say so, my lord? Kindly take my representation, my lord. And I will place that why council is not constituted. The chairman is the MLA of a ruling dispensation. He is the MLA of memory. That's why, my lord, the government intentionally did not constitute this council, my lord. Kindly turn, my lord, page number 38, which is order impugned, my lord.
Yes.
This two teacher, my lord, is transferred to the same school. Kindly take my representation, where I specifically stated what is the PTR ratio of this school, my lord. Representation to page number 39. Page number 40, my lord. May I read, my lord? Ami Asma Alom, বর্তমানে
No,
সহশিক্ষিকা
you read this. I remember.
Yes, my lord. So, in this, there is a surplus teacher. If I transfer there for earlier occasion, page number 35, you transfer me for shortage of the teacher. Now, you want to surplus of the teacher. Now, kindly see the board notification which is issued page.
Very well. Very well. Very,
Kindly see this board
very well. I have
notification.
followed. Please come.
Why?
Please come.
Extremely.
My lord, all this submission, chairman, MLA, government has no, this is from the bar. There is no as such any pleading in the writ petition.
You not mentioned it.
Heard submissions made on behalf of the parties. Stop. The chairman, District Primary School Council, is directed to file a report
Right.
disclosing the following. Number 1, whether the Badwan District Primary School Council has been constituted or not. Stop. In the event the same has not been constituted, comma, the reason for not constituting the same.
My lord, only I am interrupting. This is not our
Second.
part. This is the part of the government. In
Very
that
well.
case, your lordship direct the
Section
government.
37 is
Second.
specific provision there.
Second, the petitioner has been reverted back to the school from where she was originally deputed to the present school. Stop paragraph. Teacher ratio of the Bardhaman Banipit Primary School and the people teacher ratio of Indraprastha GSFP School. ওটা পিউপিল PUPIL ঠিক আছে this report shall be prepared and served upon the learned advocate representing the petitioner by 9th of August, list on 14th of August.
Till that the operation of this.
Yes, yes. The
I am only submitting. এখন কিছু অ্যাকশন নিচ্ছি না তাহলে করতে বলছি
no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner.